stream up on YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. What is going on, everybody? Kevin here with Bullish Bears. Now would be a good time we could enter these shorts here with the stop loss up here, because then your entry would be better. I'm in a couple shorts on the on crude right now. My stop loss is 73.88. If it stops me out, it stops me out. If it doesn't, great. But light trade. Had a really nice ES trade pre-market. Caught a lot of this push higher. Now just waiting for crude to give me some selling pressure. Market is opened. Beware. Watch out for stop hunts. Market can do that as well. I might put my stops at the high a day. High a day on crude oil for my stops in case the market wants to try to stop hunt. We're in some crude shorts. I need some new zones on NASDAQ. The 30-minute did not close how I wanted it to on crude, so it is still bullish. And because of that, I'm going to wait, try to let this candle close. Would much rather let this candle close because we do have that market just opened. Extra volume volatility kicking in. See if we want to sweep these previous highs and then dump, or if we're just going to stay bullish on it, which, again, I do have my stops in place. Yeah, there's the pop. My stops are at new high a day, so we can stop out here. Still in these. We did not make that new high a day yet. What is going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Welcome, welcome. We are in some crude shorts right now. Stop loss, high a day. Entry was somewhere around here. Double down somewhere around here. A little red on the trade. Just waiting for it to start picking up pace. We are in a supply zone that we were... Oh, there we go. All right. That was a nice quick rejection. Now let's see if bears want to hold it, though. We got to see if bears could hold us. That was a quick rejection. We could wick right back up. We know the market likes to mess around like that. Stop people out. Stop hunted up here, these wicks. Dropped. Now let's see if it wants to stop hunt down here. Or if that was the fake out, let's see. Let's be patient. That was a strong drop, though. A very quick drop. See if crude wants that continuation on it. I'm staying in these shorts. 20 seconds in this 1 minute left. I like that pop on NASDAQ. Looks like a rally base in our rally on the 1 minute. So potential scalp on NASDAQ on the 1 minute. But we're in these crude shorts right now. And right now they're pushing in our favor. 5 seconds on this. I like that. I like this 1 minute close. Nope, don't like that 1 minute close anymore. But that 5 minute still looks good. I'm staying in these guys. No reason to stop out yet. Targets VWAP 15-minute demand zone down here 7310. We're looking for a 50-cent move. That is $500 per contract. Nice pop on NASDAQ. Nice pop on ES. Was just saying how you could scalp those too. Perfect rally base rallies on those. Got to get that continuation downward on the CL right now. But we are struggling. Let's see. Throw up some time and sales in here. This is crude oil is on the right, gold is on the left. We could even just watch the time and sales itself to see if it picks up, see if it's green, red, is price below, above where we are. I want to see price 64, 63. If I'm short, I want to see that 63 start popping up. Can I? There go. There we go, some 60s. That's price accepted and bought or sold at lower prices. I'm going to check the bid and the ask. I'm going to see if there's any heavy levels anywhere. I don't see anything too crazy, so I'm going to stay in these positions. Very nice pop on the NASDAQ and ES. Huge, great stuff. Really great stuff. Really nice stuff. Good buying pressure. Holy cow. I hope somebody took that long position. I said right here a few minutes ago, scalp that on NQ. And what'd that do? 20 points. 20 points in 3 minutes. It's still going too. All right, crude, your turn to continue. I like that close on crude. Let's see if we get a little pullback first. I'm gonna grab another short contract on crude oil. If it'll pull back to a re-entry for me. There we go. All right, now I'm in another contract on crude oil. Gave me a bit of a crap fill, but that's okay. I'm expecting a push lower to continue here. I don't think we'll chop, but market does not care what we think. Currently in 3 crude oil contracts, expecting a 50-cent move from where we currently are. I'm just a girl in the world. Nice. Here we go, crude. Nice move on crude. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Print it away. Keep going, baby. Fantastic drop right there. Check out what the 1 minute's doing. Look at the bulls right now on ES and NQ, just pushing away. I like that strength. I like crude oil strength to the downside it just had. Really want to see continuation. Really want to target the 7309. Would be a huge trade. Nice. Where is it? 73. I see that. That wick. Well, yeah, a lot of stops are going to be there. Good call. Good call. Freaking teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork makes the market crash. Was expecting a pullback here because this is a broken demand zone. Still qualifies as an area of interest from previous days, so there's buying or selling interest. So now we are stalling out here on the 1 minute on the NASDAQ. Key level, key cycle. No, that's a trend line. All right, crude oil. Let's drop it one more time. One more crazy drop, and I'll close out this account for the day. I like CL for potential drop-based drop rate here. Gonna really need to see some good selling pressure to continue trend though. Not gonna add to it because I'm already in 3 contracts. There we go. But this would potentially be an okay spot to enter a short. Stop loss previous 1 minute high. But we could bounce around too, so. Oh yeah, that 1 minute closed. It was not a drop-based drop, so I'd be careful. We're sort of stalling out here. I do want to push lower. I'm still targeting down here, still in these shorts. No reason to stop out. How's that 15-minute looking? All right, 30-minute. All right, all right. 45, two zigzags, 1 hour. All right, all right. Nice drop, nice drop. There we go, guys. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to put one buy order right at this trend line that Mr. Marziti pointed out over here. 7334 is where I'm going to put that one because that's a liquidity spot. A lot of people are going to have their stops there. And because of that, there's a good chance we bounce there. Because of that, and this zone broke here, I might put another buy order somewhere in here. Scale out of my position. Yeah, this might just actually keep dropping. I'm gonna 7325 is I'm gonna have a take profit there. I'm not putting it at the 7328. Boom. All right, out of one contract. Okay. Okay, crude. Okay, crude. I see you. Let's just go crazy. That's cool. Let's just go crazy. All right, I'm all out there. I'm all out there. In case we bounce, I'm all out there. I'll take that as a quick day trade, 1200 in that. One trade, one and done type stuff. That's what it's about. And we might keep going because I wanted this 15-minute demand zone. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. What a nice trade. 10 minutes into market open, guys. 10 minutes. We could have called that a day. One and done. And then let's say you have duplicate accounts. Could have made that on multiple accounts. Speaking of, I gotta get into next account. I bought cause they were having the sale again, and I'm like, I wanted to try out a few 25K accounts, cause I'm like, let me just trade those like they're 50Ks, and even though the stop loss, the risk reward, risk management's gonna be a little shot on them, let me just trade them a little riskier. Let me trade them differently. Really go heavier on them. But the thing is, they limit you to a max of 1,500 per payout for the first 3 months per account for the 25K accounts. So if I did the 25K account, hit the 15K profit, was able to take 15K out, 1,500 out, you could do that twice a month, and so you do that twice a month, but you could have multiple accounts. So if I have 4 accounts and I'm doing 15 on each account twice a month, well, that's 3,000 per account. 4 accounts, it's 12,000. Wait, 15. What did I say? 15 4 accounts, 3,000, three. Yeah, that's 12,000 for a few small little 25K accounts. That's why I was like, let me just grab a bunch of those, and then even you could just duplicate those, because quite honestly, 1,500 is just you just need $200-300 a day. Like lately, my good days I'm hitting 12 to 3,000, and so it's like that. But that depends on account size too. I'm not hitting $2,000 days on a 25K account. That's unrealistic, and we cannot be expecting that. Yeah, that was a pretty solid exit, guys. That was a really solid exit. Huge. Yeah, it was dope. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. And I'm glad, you know what, you guys remember. Market opened. I was in the shorts. I was in shorts on crude oil right here. Market opened. We start wicking into supply again. And I say, you know what? I'm gonna move my stop. My previous stop was the wick high. I said I'm gonna move my stop to new high a day. And the reason I did new stop to new high a day is because I figured we might want to stop hunt or wick some of these previous pivots just off the 1 minute, 5 minute, but then we might continue. But if we do break new high a day, that's going to confirm the uptrend's continuing. I don't want to be in these shorts. So I had a hard stop telling me if I'm wrong, this trade's not working out, this is how much I'm losing. And I had a hard target telling me if this trade works out, I'm getting in a supply zone. Supply has a better chance of going short. I have my target, I have my stop loss set in place, and if I didn't have new high a day is my stop loss, maybe I would have previous day high, right? So it's always good to be aware of previous day zones, previous day levels, and just having targets for entries and exits on your trades. Cannot enter blindly. Holy exit, guys. That's holy exit, Batman. That is something. Yo, that was tough though yesterday. Yesterday, guys, when we took that oil trade was really nice, and then I got in gold and I got into heavy. That was crazy. All right, guys, let's see what's setting up. Let's see what's setting up. All right, so we're done with this. That was a great trade. I would consider a NASDAQ long. I'm not going to. We do have some okay buying. Maybe if we see the 478 on the tape, we'll grab some longs. But I'm not seeing. There we go. 47. Nope. There we go. 478 and quick rejection. Not a fan of it. Sellers keep trying to bat it down. There we go. There's some acceptance. Let this candle close, maybe take a scalp, but I'm not liking that because now we're in this range. Remember, if we're in the zone, we're in this range. Crude with a pop. Apple's a little bullish, holding a key level and VWAP right now, but met with some selling pressure. Nvidia a bit bullish. Bros, I got Pfizer calls like last week, just like a random strike, because I was like, alright, it's in a bit of a trend. That thing's just like sitting and getting faded away. That's why I don't like options. I'd rather futures in and out. In and out. Starting to like NASDAQ right now. Not after that candle. Yo, crude just bouncing, man. What an exit. That's wild. How's the 15-minute looking? How are these other time frames looking right now, right? So let's see. Look at the 15 on the NASDAQ. That's a tough 15 to beat. This is that previous 15 high. Like, that's tough, guys. That's still ranging from that previous 15. If anything, we're better off taking a short up here. Stop loss previous high. Now we got a really tight stop loss on that. Could potentially take it down to VWAP if sellers want to step in. If sellers want to step in. If buyers stay strong, we are not going down. Meta's just running up today, guys. Meta is up about $4.50 from market open. How much time we got left on the 15? I'm going to start a short position up here, guys. A very light short position on the NASDAQ because I have a tight stop loss. Putting my buy stops at the top of the candle. Tight stop loss, targets VWAP. If this candle sells off and gives me a nice close, I'm going to look for the 15-minute time frame to continue pushing lower to create a supply zone on the 15-minute time frame. If this candle closes green up here somewhere on the 15, which closes in 11 minutes, then I'm not going to be staying in these shorts. If I could explain anything any better for you guys, let me know. I do try to be very thorough with why I'm getting in, where I'm getting in, why I'm getting out, and whatnot. If you got any questions, let me know. Always good to enter based off of multiple time frames. Let's see if we got any zones on the weighted indice that we may have missed. Not really. Maybe a 2 hour? Do like a 1 hour right there. So like you see how the trade's sort of running against me right now, but I'm not stressing. I have my stop loss in play. I'm waiting. And if it goes and hits my stop, then guess what? I'm stopped out. Oh no. It is looking like it's gonna go hit my stop. Yup. There we go. Stopped out. I ain't stressing. I may, however, take crude oil short again. Yeah, we'll try one more crude short up here. See if bears want to continue that crude trend. Now our stop loss is going to be right up top. How's the 15 looking? How's the 30 looking? 30 looks a little bullish on crude if it wants to close as a basing. So we're going to have to watch how this 30-minute closes. 30 closes in about 9 minutes. Do we have any market news today? Does anybody know at 10? Oh, what's that? The 1 hour? The 1 hour closes in a few minutes too, looking pretty bearish on crude. Gotcha. Gotcha. Thank you, sir. So I'm not the biggest fan of the shorts right now on crude. I mean, I'm more of a fan of the shorts on crude than I am of the longs on crude because I don't think the longs will last long. I think they will wick back up into the supply zone and then maybe reject. So I might stop out of this trade and wait for a better entry. But I sort of want to let this candle close because it has done some crazy things. It did sell off, pull back, came back into this range, wicked the range, and now I want to see if it wants to push back lower from that range. If it fails, I'll stop out really tight. Super tight stop loss, like right above the previous candle high. $2.20 left on the 5-minute. Apple's getting a little weak. Equities are a bit weak right now. Look at that. NASDAQ had a bit of a stop hunt right there. How's crude looking on the daily, right? How are things looking on the daily time frame? That's a green daily time frame on crude oil, right? It's very strong. That's why we're being a bit careful. Because we got to remember, though, too, if we look left, these are strong bearish moves. Bears have been trying to take control. Crude's trying to give us a bit of a push. I'm going to stop out of crude there, guys. And I'm going to look for a better entry. Numbers in 9 minutes. Yoga looks top secret. Appreciate it. Let's be a bit patient. Let's try to find a better trade setup. How's the weighted indice doing? Very choppy. Still green, though. Gold is popping. Strong gold futures, strong oil futures. Waiting for, I want to see how oil rejects to the zone again, reacts to the zone again. If it breaks above, I'll look for a retest to go long. If it wicks, I'll see how this candle closes and go short. Look at that. I wonder if it wants a new high a day on oil. 87, 88, 90. Yeah, we're going to see 90. I think we're going to see 90, 70. Oh. I'll try one more crude short up here. Stop loss previous new high a day. Was expecting a fast move down is what I was looking for. We're not getting it. Not a fan of that. Out of shorts. Out of shorts. Don't like anything on crude right now. If anything, I'd consider flipping it, go long, because that was some strong buying pressure. But yeah, staying put right now. It did just take today's highs out, so that could be a liquidity grab. We have to be careful. It was bullish from yesterday. Maybe we'll get a trend here. I am in a light long size on crude right now. I did reverse it. I like being transparent with you guys. No point in not being. 7389 was entry. Sort of where this candle opened. If I stop out for a loss, stop out for a loss. If we stay strong like that, let's go. I'm going to look for 7426 as a target. Seven, 4, 2, 6. That's that next 30-minute supply zone. Getting some selling pressure right here on the 1 minute on crude. There we go. Nice. Huge. Huge. Let's go, baby. Good stuff. Great stuff. Yo, Blackfoot, what's going on, man? Welcome to the community. See a few new faces in here. Just want to say what's up. What's up and welcome. I'm going to see if we want to rally, base, and then rally again from here. Or even if we want to rally and then bull flag and then continue higher. So I'm going to maybe target down here for a re-entry. But I do like bulls here. Some strong pullback. See how they protect this 7401 level. 7401. Pretty heavy, 30 lots compared to these 15 and 3, 30. Not bad, not bad. Yo, that's right where my target is. Nice. Alright, sort of like that to add to this crude long position. But I'm gonna just wait and see. Would need a pop. Nope, not a drop. Maybe we'll bull flag. I'll be patient. Entry was at like the base of the 5-minute candle that opened. Okay, that is my trade. Might give us a drop, a strong drop, and then a wick back up. Let's see. Yeah, it's a tough pullback for the bulls right there, but I'm staying patient in this. I'm not jumping out of this. Bears can take over though. Look at the 5-minute. That could be a liquidity grab from previous day high. If that's the case and we close somewhat bearish, I'm going to reverse this and we're going to take some short positions, guys. Equities are very weak. 25 seconds left. Bears did take control of this 5-minute candle so far on crude. Very strong. I want to push back higher. I want us to close above this previous day high at 74 even. If we close above that, I'm staying in this trade. If we don't, we're reversing. Ooh. Break above it. Breaks above it, I'm staying in. See, that's a tough trade to trust right there. Because that's a previous candle. We'll see. Come on, crude. Give us that pop. Let's go, baby. Continue. Yeah, bear flag. Pop. I mean, bull flag right there. Pop. And then we should have some continuation. See how this 1-minute candle closes. Nice buying pressure. Let's see. Some selling pressure stepping back in though too. Yep, that was a strong sell bar. 1 minute. Alright, I like that long still. Staying in these, guys. Staying in these. I might grab another one too. Yeah, I'm in another one. Give us one strong pop, and I'm gonna get out 7425. 7425. Crazy pop. Give us a crazy pop right now. Alright, I might scale out of one up here because it's struggling a bit. No. Oh, there's NASDAQ with a strong move. Come on, crude. You know you want it. Come on, crude. Come on, crude. You're lacking. It's just you, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Because crude's lacking a bit, I'm probably going to scale out of a contract up here. Yeah, look at that. 1 minute at a tough time. Staying in it. Keep you guys updated. But I'm in it. Ooh. I thought the Bears were about to do something. Come on, Bulls. Let's take over again. March it up. March it up. So patient right now, guys. Waiting for that target. If it's not hitting our stop loss, not hitting our target, it's just chopping around. It's just noise. Gives a crazy spike. Crazy spike up. Look at, yo, guys. Bulls on NASDAQ. Bulls on ES. Let's go. Hey, here we go. Some crude bulls stepping in a bit. Alright, yo, NASDAQ flying. I like that rally-based rally on crude right there. Yo, morning, Ricardo. What's going on, homie? Hell yeah. I might get out of these, though. I'm in some crude long positions right now. But I don't know if this thing wants to continue. It looks like it should. Smells like it should. Let's see. Hey, alright, alright. 70, come on, 74 and a quarter. That's target. Blow right into it. Really struggling right now, though, up here. And because we're only just a few cents away, sort of want to take profit just in case we don't make it to that target. We do have a second till we close, though. Yeah, I don't know. That's a tough one. I'll move my target down like a couple ticks. And I'm going to leave a runner, so we'll see. How's the 5 minute looking still? I'll tell you what, guys. I'm not a big fan of crude not getting up to this supply zone. Like, at all. Come on, CL. Come on, CL. Damn. Damn, crude. Oh, that's shot. Look at that. It was like, oh, a penny away from the target. That's heartbreaking. Oh, man. That's tough. That's tough. This thing's probably gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. But it looks like it wants to dump here. If it starts to dump, I'm hitting that reverse button. Oh my god, come on, Bulls. Come on, crude. Take it. Take it all the way. Let's go. Take me home, country road. Take me home. Come on. Oh yeah, man. 100%. I'm going to, yeah, I'm not liking the longs here. I really did want Bulls to just pump away, but they're having trouble. I'm going to look to try to scale out of a contract. I want to see one more pop. I do feel like Bears have been struggling too to take us lower and are probably trapped as well. So I do sort of want to keep up with that target up there. There we go. Market was just giving us a little scare. Oh, and another one. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these bulls right now, guys. Really not. I'd love the market to prove me wrong and stay bullish, but I'm playing it safe. Let's play it safe. Would love for it to prove me wrong and stay bullish. There we go, NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ had the basing. We might continue on NASDAQ there for a scalp. I might take NASDAQ on a scalp right here, guys. Just an FYI. I'm in some NASDAQ longs. NASDAQ long and crude oil long right now. Crude, I'm gonna have to exit one contract up here. You keep wicking like that. I'm not taking my chances. But I do feel like it could pop. I feel like it could really pop and give us a crazy push higher. Or it could drop and give us a crazy move lower. So it depends. It really all depends. Market does not care. There we go, NASDAQ. And crude. Alright. 2 for Tuesday. Crude is still trying to chug its way along up higher. I do want to hold it. I am going to scale out of one contract, though. On the next little push up. If we get another push up. I don't know. I'm not liking crude right now. I'm not liking the volume stepping in. It looks like bearish volume. Smells like bearish volume. Tastes like bearish volume. There we go. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I think bears might want to take this on crude. We got 50 seconds left. Plenty of time for it to dump on us. Same with those what's it called? These NASDAQ longs are not working. Gonna cut those short. How's the 5 minute? Yeah, there goes crude. I'm gonna let the candle close though, because now at this point, 25 seconds. That's nasty. Let's see. Yeah, I'm probably gonna look to reverse this trade and take it short, depending how this candle closes. If it closes up though, I'm not taking it short. I'm not taking it short. That's pretty crazy. Oh, and NASDAQ back pushing the right way too. Great. Good stuff, good stuff. I got my target on NASDAQ's right here. 564, about 15-point move. Yeah, these bears, man, they really might drop us here. Gotta remember, it is still a supply zone. That's some selling pressure. That's some volume stepping in. Volume volatility. It's what we need to pick a direction. Wonder how the other time frames are looking. I don't want to check another time frame right now while I'm in this trade. 15-minute closes in 3 minutes. That's a bearish 15-minute candle if we stay down here. Hard stop is this 15-minute candle's low. Still in NASDAQ, still in crude. Crude looks like it's gonna dump. I'm not trying to get stopped though. I need that continuation. Come on, bulls. Step up, step up. I really wish there was a market internal for crude oil. There's no VIX for oil. 23 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. I want the 1 minute to close up here above the previous day high. If the 1 minute closes above the previous day high, I'll add to this. If it doesn't, might reverse this. Yeah, I'm going to reverse that and grab an extra short on that. Because bears are going to have that. So out of the longs, I'm out of the long positions. I am in some short positions. We do have a ways to go if we want to come down to this 15-minute demand zone. I liked the 1 minute for a drop, a base, and then a drop, so I want to see continuation on the 1 minute. If we don't have continuation on the 1 minute, I'm just stopping out of this trade, no big deal. There we go. Good drop right there. Okay, pull back a little. I'm going to add one more short position on that. Stop loss previous day high. I'd like to see continuation into the downside on the 1 minute here. Oh, might come up to the stop hunt. Nope, coming up to the stop. Let's see. Damn, bulls tried. You got batted down. Some interesting selling pressure right there. I want to see if bears want to continue. Bulls have been strong though. Let's check out what's the 5 minute looking like. What's the 15 minute looking like? I want us below the previous 15 minute candle. I don't want us to close above the previous body of the 15 minute candle. I want that drop from here. This 5 minute looks nice to continue lower. I want it to break 7388. I'm looking for 7388 here on the tape. Let's see the level. Ooh, strong pop. Getting some volatility in. Getting a wide range right now. I'm thinking we get a pop here and we might hit our stops. Oh, I just realized I'm still in those NASDAQ longs. Oops. I'm closed out of those for a loss, obviously. Really need oil to continue here. I want to see 7390 on the tape. There's 90, there's 89. Can we go lower than that? Can we break it? 87, I want to break 86. There's 86 once. Now it's stop hunted. It did a stop hunt. If we continue back lower, I'm going to add. But we are pumping now. We're going to go, yep, stopped out. Damn. What do we got? What do we got? 5 minute is dropping on NASDAQ. Got any good trades? Come on, it's comeback season. Had some good ones today, though. Definitely had some good ones today. Yo, Meiji, what's up? What's up and welcome. Don't forget, you guys could use push to talk if you want. Move this out of the way. Ooh, tell me it stop hunted me. That was quite the stop hunt it performed there. NASDAQ looks like it might want to continue. But let's see. Nice, nice. There you go, a bit of a bounce on NASDAQ. I want to see how this 5 minute closes, see if it sets us up for something. Nice, alright. I'm gonna try a NASDAQ long here. Maybe not, let's see. Went in a little light. I think I jumped the gun. It does look like it's gonna continue bearish, actually. Ooh. It picks things up and puts them down. I want us to close above this key level. Oh, stopped me right out. Wait, nah, bulls want that. No, they don't. Who am I kidding? Take some shorts. See if we could scalp this momentum. All right, let's see. Let's go Bears. Let's go Bears. Apple with some weakness. I like it. Ooh, strong pullback on that. Ooh, real strong. Damn. Well, let the candle close on that. Buyers just stepped in with some strength. Damn, look at that go. I'm thinking up here's the area to get shorts if we continue lower. Gold with... Ooh, gold's got a bit of a nicer setup right now, actually. I'm just looking for trends. Just gotta look for what's trending. Yep, there's that NASDAQ rejection off of this area of interest. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Maybe take another short. Look at these buyers go. And we could see that too, right here, on the weighted indice. That buyers stepped in. Market's trying to move higher. And buyers keep going. And look at that. I'm pretty mad at crude. It ticked me on that stop hunt. It knew where to stop me. Yeah. I know, I was thinking it was gonna continue lower too. 'Cause look at the 15 looks even. Oh no, that's the 5 minute. What time is it? 10:15. Gotta remember how bullish the other time frames look. I want NASDAQ to retouch this zone to go long, but I don't know if we're gonna get that now. I think that was the retest. Nice bull pressure. Yeah, Microsoft new high day, Meta new high day, Nvidia new high day, Apple green. Some buying pressure. Give us a pullback, NASDAQ. Come on. Trap the people chasing. Give me an entry at this candle open. Right down here. 2 to 1. Alright, there goes crude. We'll dip our hand in crude a little bit, see if that finally wants to drop. NASDAQ potential rally base rally 1 minute. I'll wait to see how that closes too. And it's not giving us that. Still wanted the zone on NASDAQ to go long. Good crude drop. It's dip into dip in. Alright, that was entry 1. Hello. Alright, so it wicked my entry. Didn't fill me. I'm putting an order out right there. Do tell. Go crude. Yeah. Oh. Oh, congrats. Wait. That's awesome. Great job. So you passed it? That's huge, dude. Big congrats. I'm in some NASDAQ longs. I grabbed some NASDAQ longs right there. Yeah, that's huge though. That's really great. Really, really great. You should be proud of yourself. If you set your orders, it's not gambling. Set and forget. That's how we should be trading. Gotcha. Oh, I got you. The stop hunt was still there. The stop order was still there, and it filled, even though you weren't in any trade. So it like put you in a random trade. Yeah, bro. You're lucky that it didn't run against you. that it didn't like enter a long trade and like shorts played out or something. Nice. I'm in crude shorts. I'm in oil. I'm in, yeah, crude short. Nasdaq long. I'm gonna grab some more crude shorts. Oh, Nasdaq. I'll stop out. Now, what do we got on crude right now? Let's grab a bunch more shorts on crude at 7370. Okay, crude. Oh wow, Nasdaq with the stop out too. That's really funny. That's pretty crazy. We're chilling right now. We're chilling right now. We had like small news at 10, but that didn't really do anything. Whoa. What was that? Hmm. Right. Nasdaq. God damn it. Hmm. So you did know you were in the trade. And I'm I'm into some oil shorts by the way, guys. I want to hold it till that I wanted that demand zone down at 7309, but I don't know if we're going to get that. Would be fantastic if we got it. Would be crazy if we got it, but I don't know if we're going to get that. Really watching the 15 and the 5 right now. 5 closes in 1 minute, 15 closes in 11 minutes. I'd like a drop, a basing here, and then a drop to continue. I'm in pretty heavy on these shorts in a new account. Might get a pop here. Alright, if CL could start to dip again from this area, I'm grabbing more shorts. If we fail to go back down, 10 seconds. We're not gonna get it. Okay, I'm adding shorts. Alright, crude. Alright, crude, time to drop. Since NQ wants to be rude and stop me out and then pump to my target, I guess I'll trade crude oil. Well, I'm not too confident in these shorts right now on crude. I am. I guess looking at the 1 minute, I get less confident on it. That's why I don't look at the 1 minute. Things bouncing around right now. I was buying and selling on crude. Does have some selling pressure. I want to see that 71, 7371. There's some 7371. Nice. Crude, give us a crazy drop. Let's stop hunt. I'm going to put my first take profit 7363. 7363, because that's where a lot of people are going to have stops right there. Boom, first target hit. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Want all the smoke. Oh my goodness. I want all the move. Yeah, I'm gonna take 2 more contracts off. I'm in 6 contracts and I was in 8 originally. I'm gonna take 2 more off right here. That was crazy. Ooh. That's even crazier. I hate when it does that. If we're looking at the 1 minute, see if we could drop base drop, because that will continue trend. If that's the case, I'm going to want to be in on that. But if we rally back up, oh yeah, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Yo, Ricardo, have a great weekend, man. I hope you took some trades with us today. Some great stuff. Peace. I sort of want to hold all of these contracts. I sort of want to scale out of one contract to lock in gains. 5-9 is where we're at. Checking out bid and ask. Looks like we should have a bit more room lower. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Crude oil is just so slept on. I'm going to lock in some gains at the bottom of this candle if we get one more drop. One strong drop. $7,354. I have two limit orders there. Not a fan of how that 1 minute looks. But there's a reason I don't trade the 1 minute. Because I don't like it. I've been trying to trade the 1 minute more for momentum, for scalps and stuff. In case you guys haven't noticed. Trying to give you guys more options. Nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. So now, when you use fair value gaps, you would just get out as soon as we enter it, right? Oh, let's go. Added two more contracts. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, I'm out of that, guys. Holy cow. I'm sorry. That was crazy. But I'm sorry, go on. So last year it would be a reversal zone. This year you said it's like more of a chop zone? Right. Right. Gotcha. Oh my goodness. Understood. Okay. Yo, that was a crazy drop, guys. That's why I like oil lately. It's a much easier sell off than let's look at what else we got. Nasdaq had a nice rejection off of supply. Nasdaq, guys, we were in these longs here and then stopped out on this wick right here. I should have kept my stop at the bottom of this zone and that would have worked out pretty well. But can't trade off a coulda, woulda, shoulda. I wanted to break above, a retest, enter long. That's my setup on broken zones. We sort of came through it, so it didn't give us the setup here. Came back above, came back retested, so this would have been our entry. Yo, that's insane. That's actually crazy. Crude oil's just gone. Fantastic days on the accounts. Much needed. Alright, y'all. YouTube, you guys got any questions? Holler. Discord, you guys got any questions? Let me know. I'm gonna wrap it up a little early today. It is Friday, and we had two banger trades today. And we did take, what did we take? Like a loss or two? I think it was like a NASDAQ loss, and then it was one more crude oil loss. And the crude oil loss, guys, that's because I was in up here. I was in some short positions. I got filled around here, and I put my stop loss at the previous day high. What did the market do? The market sold below the previous day high after wicking above it, retested the previous day high, which instead of being where my stop should have been, that should have been where my entry is. As you guys, I'm sure, here online and other traders say things like, we want to enter where others are exiting, right? So I had a very obvious stop loss, was a previous day high. I shouldn't have done that. I should have, if anything, been patient and not even entered till we got that retest. But we have to remember too, we're not going to be able to say, oh, it's going to break previous day high, then reverse. It's not going to happen every time. We're not going to do liquidity grabs every day. We're not going to have the same setups every day. However, it doesn't hurt to know these setups and styles and ways to read the market. All right, ladies and gents, on that note, I hope you guys ended the week green and strong. Take care. Have a great day. If you guys do need any Apex accounts, I think they turned their sales off. Except if you do use Bullish Bears, you do still get the 50% off. So there is still that. Oh, they got 71% off. But code Bullish Bears for that, and then you get 50% off the resets too. The 50% off resets is actually a way better sale than the 71% off if you're doing something like a 150k account. Because 150k accounts with the 71% off, still like 80-90 bucks. But then once you have the resets are only $50. So it definitely works out in your favor if you're going for that 150k account. Godo, congrats again. Big shout out to you on passing that account. Great stuff. And I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Have a great weekend. Got any questions? Hit me up.